Hi, Janna here, brand director with Bernzomatic, to share with you our mini torch. This is a great little torch, fits in your pocket, keychain, can hook on a backpack, is great for a campsite kit, tackle box kit, and a lot of little projects. So here's how to light it. There's actually a little button right here that says push, that flips open this cover. You need to push it in and then pull the trigger to start the flame. From there, it's windproof, easy to light candles, or singe the end of a nylon rope. And when you're done, really easy to just slide that cover back over. And if you need to refill it, there's a port on the bottom that fits with a standard butane cylinder. Fills right up. For more information on this torch and our others, visit bernzomatic.com.